Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. That is a black cat. That's a sign of good luck for you. I'm going to keep that black cat there. I worked at IRS. How long did I work at IRS? She talks to me. I worked at IRS for 10 years. I've worked thousands of IRS cases. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. Whatever I tell you is kind of really important because I worked for IRS. So I was the IRS, but I'm talk to you now as being for on your side for IRS tax defense. When you get an LT notice or letter 1058, it's lights out for IRS. IRS, believe it or not, has sent you all sorts of other notices. Sometime an LT 14, sometime a CP 501, sometimes a CP 503, a 504 final notice. And this LT 11 notice and 1058 is your last warning that IRS is about to take action. What they are going to do specifically is they're going to go ahead and garnish your wages, and or they're going to take your bank account, and or file a lien, and or all of them. And if you owe over $62,000, IRS will go ahead and actually take your passport, make sure you can't travel. So I'm just telling you, you have different options. You know what IRS is waiting to do? IRS is just waiting for you to call them. That's it. They want to close their case. They just want to close their case. We can get these cases closed. If you have your stuff for the financial statement, I can get these cases closed in 24 hours. So you are going to have to give a financial statement to IRS. You can download it online. It's usually a 433F up at the service center. So when you go ahead and get this financial statement, IRS is going to ask for it. I ask for it. And then what the most important part of this is you got to call now. I mean, not me. I don't care who you call. Call me, whoever. By the end of that 30-day period, you have to call. You have to call IRS or somebody, because the computer is going to send these notices out. No person has your case. When you call IRS, they go ahead and they put a little switch. Oh, they called, and now we're working the case, so we're not going to take enforcement. But the important part is how are you going to get your case closed? Therein lies the big question for you. IRS is either going to close your case by a currently non-collectible a payment agreement or the filing of an offer in compromise. So if you're interested in stopping this, learning about this, and we can just take care of all of this. I've worked over 10,000 cases. I am a national expert. Don't worry about it. Trust me. Have a good one. Thank you so much. Give me a subscription.